Hi everyone, welcome to Trendy Kids Hairstyle. I hope you mothers will enjoy all the beautiful hairstyles we'll be uploading on this channel. Just to get ideas and inspiration. Subscribe, like and share.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Trendy Kids Hairstyle. Get your trendiest, beautiful and latest kids hairstyles from this channel. Today we have kids braided hairstyles that moms can do themselves. We have a beautiful compilation of hairstyles for black kids. On here, we have various types of hairstyles to make your child glow and smile whenever they go out. Also, we know how black beautiful women care about their outlook, and when we say their outlook, we mean their hair. So get kids braided hairstyles. Please like our video, comment down below the comment section, share your thoughts and let us know what you would like to see more from our channel. Thank you. Bye.
subscribe, like our videos, as well as watch our videos till the very